All right, well, good afternoon. Good to see you guys again. Hey, I wanted to spend a little bit of time with you and show you how to import a test from a test bank. Now, obviously, I'm not going to take you out and create an exam in the test bank, but you'll have to learn on your own how to create the test in the test bank. And then what you need to do is make sure that that test bank is compatible with Blackboard. And if it is, then you can export your test that you just created to another folder somewhere on your computer. And so if you wanted to go ahead and import a test, the first thing you do is you want to come down here to your course management area and find the course tools area. Click on course tools and then scroll to the bottom and you're going to see test, surveys, and pools. Click on that. And what you're going to want to do is work in the test area. So you click on tests, and it says, here are some tests that I have imported in the past. So what I would do is I would say import test. So I would click on import test, because the test I want to import isn't there. Now I need to browse my computer. So I need to know where that test is located. So I browse my computer, and I just happen to find these. These are some tests that I've exported in the past. You can see, that they're zip files. So we're going to pick one here, and we'll just click on that and hit open. Okay? And then that test is attached, and I submit that test. And really what this is doing is bringing the test over into Blackboard. So here it says the test import has been complete. Now what I do is I go in and I do just like I do with when I create a new test. I'm going to go to my course folders and content area. I'm going to click up here on assessments, and this time I'm going to say test. And you can see that the test that I just imported is already here. So I'm going to click on that to highlight it. I'm going to submit that test. And then I get to choose all of those options that I had. So if you had a description for the test, you could talk about the description here. Talk about the availability of the test like we did in the other one. So do I want to make this link available? Do I want to add a new announcement? Do I want to give them multiple tests or attempts? Do I want to force completion? Set the timer. If this is maybe this is a time test, so you can put the timer on this, or date time, I should say. So you can say you want to display it after a particular day and time of the month, and then it's only displayed until a particular day and time of the month and time of day here. Maybe you want to put in a password, and you can do all of those same options that we've done before, and then come down here and click submit. Now that I've done that, that test is right here and ready for me to work with. If I need to, and I have noticed this in the past, if I want to come up here and edit the test, one thing I've noticed is that when I've imported things in the past, it imports them as one point, as you can see right here. So because I like to have mine as a 100-point test, or 2 points per question, I need to change that. So one of the things that I'll do then is I'll come up here and I'll hit select all. So it selects all 50 questions. I change the point value to 2 by hitting 2. I then update it, and now all of the questions have been changed to 2 points, so it's now a 100-question test, and will be recorded in my gradebook as a 100-question test, and we're good to go. And that's it. That's how you import a test into Blackboard. So thank you very much.